While working with data in Excel, we often need to calculate running total to track cumulative values over time. In this video, I will show you different formulas to create running totals in Excel and also explain when and why to use each method. Let's get started. We will use this data for applying running total. Here we need to apply running total for the sales. We can use this one and our total and YTD is matching. So this formula is best and fastest one. As for each row, we need to evaluate only two sales rather. But only problem is in future, if anytime you need to delete any in between row, then your formula will show error, as you can see. Otherwise, this formula is best. Let us see other option we have. Other option is sum, and now we will fix first cell using F4. So every time in every cell, this formula is summing the total from first row till the row you are applying the formula. Even if you delete any row in between, this formula will not break and will show you correct values. But avoid using this formula on very large data set. And in any case, if you want to apply this formula, you can quickly apply it using quick analysis. Let me show you. Just select the data and press Ctrl Q. A pop-up window will appear. Here under totals, just click running total and done. But if you are fan of Excel table, then you have to use different formula. For Excel table, you can apply some formula with index, this one. Here also, if you delete any row, this formula will work. Now you know multiple ways to calculate running totals in Excel and when to use each formula effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Number Crunching with Rajesh from jupitersolutions.in.